The EU project EXCESS, Flexible User-Centric Energy Positive Houses, brings together 21 partners from 8 European countries and is funded by the EU Horizon2020 Research and Innovation Programme. The aim of this 4-year project is to show that it is possible to transform nearly zero energy buildings into positive energy buildings. The project will work with 4 demonstration sites located in the 4 main EU climatic zones: Nordic, Continental, Oceanic and Mediterranean. In each of the demo buildings, different technical solutions will be introduced in order to produce more renewable energy than the building consumes over the course of a year, and to address specific climate-related needs.
The social housing sector in Flanders has been a pioneer in the rational use of energy since 1980. Cordium wishes to continue this ambition by using energy-efficient heating technologies, and this in combination with local renewable energy production, without compromising the aesthetic appearance of our buildings. The Belgian demonstrator in EXCESS includes 4 buildings with 20 apartments which are connected to a heating network. These buildings were built in 2013 and still use fossil fuels for heating today. Within the EXCESS project, we will integrate additional renewable energy technologies like geothermal heat pumps, smart thermal energy storage and PVT panels in order to reach a positive energy building standard.
Smart control of the different components in the energy system is an important topic in the project. Here we will focus on the activation of thermal and electrical flexibility within the buildings. For instance, by optimizing the control strategy of the boilers in the apartments in order to maximize self-consumption of locally produced renewable energy from solar and wind. Most of the buildings on this area are connected by a small district heating network. This thermal network allows the exchange of heat from one building to the other. For instance, in summer, excess heat from the PVT panels can be exported to other buildings, or it can be used to recharge the VITO system. This also means that peak and backup heating systems become a shared asset and therefore less heat generation capacity is required.
The technological developments in EXCESS will increase renewable energy production and energy efficiency at the demo site in Hasselt. This approach can serve as an example for other Cordium sites, but also for the social housing sector in Flanders in general. At this moment, Cordium invests in efficient technologies, but on the long term, the tenants will benefit from the innovations that are made today.